Hi, here is the Konica C35AF overall conditions. Okay, and here is the battery compartment. Using two AA battery. Yeah, so you just put accordingly inside here. Okay, next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And I have replaced the light seal so it won't have like lightly issue lah. Okay, then here's the film. But the film, we need to slide into it to make sure that this rewind knob have fit into the center part of the film. Okay, move in like this and pull the film tip to here. Make sure it's fully inside like that. Then next, one hand holding the film, another hand wind it. Like that should be okay, and we just close it. Then here we slightly turn a bit clockwise lah. Okay. Then when you feel that a bit tight, stop it. So now we're going to show you like how to make sure you have loaded the film properly. Wind the film. When you wind the film, look at here. We will move together, which means that you have winded properly. Then when you want to shoot, here's the viewfinder. At the center part of the viewfinder is the focus. Okay, it will always focus at the center part of the viewfinder. So you just use that center point to aim and half press your shutter and shoot it. And here we show you the distance. Yeah. So yeah, just now it's 1 meter below, but this camera is the focus distance is like 1 meter to infinity. So if can, every time you want to shoot, you just like focus maybe far a bit and shoot it. Yeah, you see, means that the autofocus is function. And if you shoot like very far, then it will go to infinity. Yeah, this one is for like landscape or something lah. Okay, and here is to adjust the ISO. Just now you're using the 400 ISO film, then here you need to set to a 400. Yeah. If like 200, then you just adjust it to 200. And during indoor situation, we'll highly recommend you to open a flash. When you want to open a flash, one hand holding the top and another hand press this button. Let it pop up slowly, because it got a pop up flash, and if you let it keep pop up time to time, it will spoil something lah. Yeah. Then we wait for it, the flash to charge. Okay, fully charged, here will light up. Then we just shoot like that. Okay, charge again, then shoot. And if we don't want the flash, we just push it down. Yeah. Because got another people, they have feedback is they just put it like that and just let it for maybe 10 to 20 minutes. And the flash will spoil or something. Yeah, because the capacitor it can't afford or absorb too many like power or something lah. Okay, so this camera must have the battery, only it will operate. If without the battery, then it will always shoot to infinity, and the aperture setting will be like inaccurate lah. Okay, so yeah, you see during like if I okay, low light situation, here we are fully open. If like shooting a bright side, I use okay, yeah, it will be small a bit. You see, when I half press, then if I cover it, here's the sensor lah. I cover it, it will open, fully open. One is fully open. Oops. Okay, so here is the way for you lah. So now there's a resistance that I cannot wind anymore, which means that my film have finished. So next step is to press this silver button at the bottom here. Next is to flip here up, and here got the arrow. We just roll back. This we call it rewind lah. Rewind until it become very loose. Then only we open it. And here actually will show how many shots you have took lah. We just open it and take out our film to develop. And here we need to fully wind and and shoot. Every time you want to shoot, you just like fully wind, then only you shoot. Fully wind, only you shoot, like that. You don't like wind, then you want to keep and press it, you cannot. Yeah. And so here is the overall function, and if you didn't use it, take out the battery will be better, because a lot of people, they forgot to take out the battery and keep it inside, and the battery corroded or something and causing their film camera spoil or something. Yeah. So here is the overall setting and recommendation. I hope you enjoy it.